Hello, welcome to GWL Power and I'm Peter. Today I will show you EVSE kit. EVSE kit is suitable for everyone who owns an electric vehicle. You will get charging cable to each electric vehicle to charge your car at home. This cable is made with maximal charging current 10 ampere, but you can charge your car much faster. If you want charging faster, you've got two possibilities. First, you can buy charging station for €1,000, or you can buy EVSE kit and make your own charging station for a fraction of price. Main function of EVSE is communication with charger in your car. It sets car charger with current it should take. For that, it's possible to make your own 3-fast charging station. With each fast, you can have 16 ampere and more by your settings and possibilities. In that case, your car will charge more than 3 times faster than with original cable. Now, come take a look on the connection. EVSE is possible to connect directly into charging pistol, or if you want to have 3-fast charger, it is possible to have in wallbox. For installation to wallbox, you will need wallbox, EVSE kit, 3-fast connector, connecting cables, and cable or plug version 2. Here you can see illustrated connection of EVSE kit. Connection will handle alone, but in case of safety, it is good to supervise it by some experienced electrician. Main supply from your house goes to contactor and then goes to plug of your car. With these two cables, EVSE communicate with charger in your car, and when everything is right, EVSE will switch contactor and charging will start. After long press of button, LED will start flashing slowly, and number of flashes is equal to number of ampere. It's very easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you will have more questions, please send us email for technical support.